Hey, what's up everybody, I'm Charlie, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make my delicious shrimp wraps. This recipe makes up to about 6 individual shrimp wraps. All it is shrimp, lettuce, tomato, and a special sauce that we make from scratch, and it is wrapped in a flour tortilla. And that's it. So let's get started. Here is all what you will need to make your shrimp tacos. You will need 2 pounds of fresh Louisiana shrimp, 17 ounces of medium or large size soft floured tortillas, unsalted butter, romaine lettuce, 2 tomatoes, mayonnaise, sour cream, vinegar, Worcester sauce, and for your seasonings, you will need some Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. Now, if you don't have this, you can use the Zatarain's Creole seasoning or the Slap Your Mama Creole seasoning. You will also need some Chef Prudhomme Seafood Magic, onion powder, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, and some paprika. And there we have it. Here we have a shrimp. We're going to get started by removing the head off the shrimp and placing it into a bowl. Now we're going to peel the shrimp shell off of the shrimp tail, and we're going to place that into the bowl with the shrimp head. Now, as you can see, there's a dark line along the back. We're going to cut that out. So you're going to cut the back of the shrimp out. And as you can see, there's that black string. You're just going to pull that right out. And you're going to place your tail into a separate bowl. Now, with the shrimp shells and heads, you can take that and make a shrimp stock with it. We've added our shrimp into a strainer. Rinse your shrimp off with cold water. Before we get started with our romaine lettuce, I'm going to let you know that this recipe calls for you to use about 3 to 4 whole leaves of romaine lettuce. You're going to start by removing the stem. Now the stem, you can discard that. Now you're going to bunch all the romaine lettuce leaves together, and you're going to chop that up. We added our romaine lettuce into a strainer. Rinse your lettuce off thoroughly with cold water. We've added our romaine lettuce into a salad spinner. Now you can find one of these at your local grocery or department stores. I'm just going to push this lever down a few times. Now the job of the salad spinner is to remove all of the water off of the lettuce. And this is how it looks when we're done. As you can see, most of that water has been removed off of the lettuce. I just want to show you how much water has been removed. Salad spinner did a good job of that. Here we have 1 large tomato. We're going to take the tomato and we're going to chop this into small bite-sized pieces. And this is how it looks when we're done. Now let's get started with the special sauce. Add 3/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1/8 cup of sour cream, 1/8 cup of vinegar, 1/8 cup of Worcester sauce, a 1/2 teaspoon of Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 heaping teaspoon of paprika, and a 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Stir all your ingredients together. You're going to continue to stir this until the mixture is creamy and smooth with no visible lumps. And there we have it. Our mixture is creamy and smooth with no visible lumps. Preheat your fire to medium-high heat. Add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Spread the butter along the bottom of your pan. Let the butter melt. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of Chef Papadom's Seafood Magic. Give that a quick stir. Add your shrimp. Let this sear for 1 minute on each side. Once you're done, turn your fire off. Remove your shrimp and place them onto your serving dish. Preheat your fire to medium-high heat. Add your tortilla. Let this sear for 1.5 minutes. Once done, turn your fire off. Remove your tortilla out of the pan. We're ready to assemble the shrimp wraps. Add your shrimp. Each wrap should have a total of 6 shrimp. Now you make sure you add the shrimp toward the front of your tortilla. Add a small amount of romaine lettuce. Now add a small amount of your tomatoes. We've added our special sauce into a squeeze bottle. We're just going to gently squeeze that on top of our shrimp, romaine lettuce, and tomato. Now here for the fun part, we're going to fold both ends onto each other, and we're going to take the back end and we're just going to fold that right on top. And there we have it. Simple as that. Here's the final presentation. And there we have it, shrimp wraps. If you like my channel, you can subscribe to it. You can also check out this recipe, as well as all of my other recipes, as well as contact me or donate to the channel. Visit www.charliethecookandrews.com. You can also like, follow, or contact me on Facebook at www.facebook.com/charliethecookandrews. Stay tuned as Charlie's Taste Test is coming up next. Now it's time for Charlie's Taste Test. Look at that. Shrimp wrap. Look at that. Man, you can taste that shrimp, which is nice and tender, along with that lettuce and tomato and that special sauce. It just brings out all of those flavors. Very, very good. And I'm telling y'all, the special sauce, it has a nice little spiciness to it, a little bitter, along with a little seasoning. Very, very good. Delicious. I'm telling y'all, try the recipe. And that is it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. I sure did. So, until next time, take care, and I hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.